Hi, I'm Rama Maydermal. I'm a libero and from Ateneo de Manila.
Hello, I'm Michael Arosa from De La Salle University, Manila.
Hi, I am Marie Rochelle Lalong Isip from Adamson University.
Well, I decided because I'm done now with my playing year then sa Ateneo and it's time na rin to move on to pro leagues. Yan.
I joined the drafting this year, syempre to showcase my passion and talent in playing volleyball. And syempre excited din ako na ma-meet yung ibang mga kasama ko dito.
I want to explore more po sa pros and ayun, makahelp sa parents ko and after graduate, ito talaga yung plans ko mag-pro.
Of course, I'm very excited. Now, I'm excited na ma-meet yung lahat na very talented players from different school, UAAP, NCAA, and mga provinces na school. Also, I'm excited na rin to meet yung mga possible na magiging bago kong team. And syempre, yun din, excited din ako makaharap or I don't know what will happen. But yun nga, makaharap yung sister ko. Yan.
Siguro excited ako makaharap yung mga previous ates ko from La Salle din, sila Ate Mars, Ate Dolina, and mga previous na naging veterans na rin sila Ate Abby, Ate Mika Reyes, and Ate Madjoy Barong.
Excited akong makaharap ulit yung mga teammates ko before, mga nasa farm fresh yung iba, and yung mga ates ko rin na mga idols ko.
This is Rama May with new and very, siguro I can say, ano ba, kasi rookie year na naman siya eh. So, siguro, a fresh and I can say a SpongeBob. Ganun, na in everything na pupuntahan ko man na team, I'll be a SpongeBob na I'll just, i-embrace lahat ng role na ibibigay sa akin. And syempre, embrace lang din lahat ng ituturo nila sa akin. So, yun.
Hi, I'm Michael Arosa at ako ang inyong susunod na abangan sa PBL season. Hi, ako si Michael Arosa at ako ang inyong susunod na abangan this coming PBL season.
Hi everyone, I am Ishila Longisi from Adamson University and I am an outside hitter. Excited na akong i-share sa inyo yung talent ko and ipakita sa inyo kung anong meron ako this season.
Hi, I'm Thea Gagate and I'm a middle blocker from the sorry. Hi, I'm Thea Gagate, middle blocker from the De La Salle University. For me, I really followed my intuition kasi I believe that now is the right time to move to another level aside from collegiate. Even though it was cut short due to the pandemic back then, I firmly believe that now's the right time to step up and go to further ways. Hi, I'm Leila Cruz. I'm an opposite spiker and I'm from the DLSU Lady Spikers.
Hi, I'm Julian Carnacion, an outside hitter from the University of the Philippines.
Siguro it's my time na rin talaga to join kasi yun nga, I'm finished na rin. I'm almost done na rin with my study and then yun, I think ready na din ako for the next step which is mag-pro.
Una sa lahat, matanda na ako. I'm already a graduating student. I have one more sem left sa UP, so I think it's time to move forward from collegiate volleyball to the professional volleyball.
Wala naman in particular, but lahat, I'm super excited na makatapat kasi again, it's gonna be my first time, so yeah.
Siyempre, yung mga galing UP. Si Ate Caloy, si Tot Carlos from Creamline, Lori Bernardo from Creamline, my batchmate Bea Bonafe from Creamline. Sino pa ba? Si Ate Jaila Atienza from NextLed. And yung mga nakalaban ko before sa UAP that moved already sa pros.
Ipapakilala ko yung sarili ko. Bye! Wala lang. Hello, I'm Leila Cruz. Ayun.
Ako po ay talagang Filipino, yeah. I'm a very hardworking person. I'm also a disciplined athlete. And I believe in respect, honesty, and of course, passion. Yan, Julian Carnacion po, please remember.